If you take a look over here, localhost, that's my server, you'll see 777 php/errz errors. And I've got a program in there called error1.php. I'm going to run it now. But first, let's take a look at it. Very simple program. Here's the beginning PHP and the end of the PHP tag. And very simple, echo within double quotes, hi, semicolon. This will run without a problem. And there it is, error 1. I click on it, and it runs. There's the word hi. Make it a little bit bigger for you. You can see it. Wow, that's nice. Now, let me make it smaller again. And let's take a look at that program again. And let's take out a double quote. Save it. Minimize that. Now let's run it again. No output. And no errors, no warnings, nothing. Why did that happen? And the reason for it is up here, PHP.ini file. And you'll notice over here it says display under errors equals off. Oh, that's not good. I want to see my errors. So I'm going to change that to on. I'm going to save it. Now, let me go back one. I'm going to run it again, but, oh, same problem. What happened? I have an error here. I turned the errors on, display errors on, but it didn't show up. Well, the reason for that is I now have to go over to my server, shut it off, and turn it back on. And now, I'm waiting for it to turn green. There we go. And now, it recognizes this value. Display errors equals on. Let's go back here and run our program again. Oh, there are all my errors. And it tells me that it recognized something by line 5. Okay, let's take a look at line 5. It finally recognized it at line 5 that I had an error, and I trace it back, and there we go. I'm missing a double quote. Let me put that in, like so, and save this. And let's run our program again. I'll just refresh, and I get my hi once again. And that's because the display errors are now on, and I had shut my server off and then on again after I made changes in the php.ini file. Very necessary thing to do. And that's all I have to say for now. Thanks so much for listening. This is George Boole. Bye-bye now.